everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we just got a Birchbox unboxing, so let's just open it up. It comes in this really nice Christmassy style box, as I put it through the letterbox this month. It is really pretty, I do like it, so that's why I decided to show you the outer box thing, because it's really nice. And also Birchbox is £10 a month, or you can get it for 6 months for £60 a month, and for a year, which is £110. You also have to pay £2.95 postage and packaging. I'm just going to get my scissors onto this. Yeah, so is anybody else enjoying the Christmas season? Anybody else like watching the Christmas movies? And you know what I can't stop doing is playing the Christmas music on Spotify. I absolutely love it. Christmas songs. My favourite one is Wham! Last Christmas. I just love it. I mean, what is your favourite Christmas song? I have Wham! Last Christmas, and I'm Mariah Carey. I love her song as well. And I like the Pogues. Is it the Pogues? Yeah, I think it could be the Pogues. They have a Christmas song, don't they, as well? But it's typical of the English Christmases, the Pogues. It always is. Right, so this is a Birchbox. Oh wow, it is a pretty box this month. Birchbox, you've done well. Look at that, it's gorgeous. I like the stars on it. It feels really like a ruffy feeling, like a sandpaper feeling, but it's got so many pretty gold stars on it, and Birchbox in the middle of it. And I like the snow you seen around the edges of it. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love it. I look a bit grey today because I've been suffering with a cold and it's keeping me up all night, so that's why I just haven't put any makeup on at all. I've just done my eyebrows, quick mascara, and that's me being done. And I look grey, so I haven't been feeling my best. My daughter said this morning, "Oh Mum, you look grey." It's just because I have got a bad cold. So yeah, so I am suffering with that. Paracetamols and hot lemons all the time for me. Right, here we go. Here is the Birchbox December unboxing. You get to see it. And I like this drawer as well. Drawer design of what Birchbox is doing. So let's just pick the first item. And I think this is a little box. Oh, it's hotel chocolate. It's the British Cocoa Grower. It is a special chocolate treat for your December Birchbox. So there we go. Let's just put it to the side, and then we'll pull out another item. Sorry for that. Right, so then we got a Laritzi long-lasting liquid lipstick in the colour Rouge. Oh wow, so it's Power. Power is the one that I got. Designed in Montreal, and it is a 12. You get it for 12 months, so that's the sell by date on it. 12 months there. So there we go. And then we got a Balance Me Flash Cleanse Masala Water. Now I love the Balance Me range. I have loads of their cleansers, and they really are a good product. I think that they might be cruelty free as well, so they are free from parabens and mineral oils and sulfates and petroleum and silicons and propylene and glycol, microbeads, artificial fragrances and colours. So okay, I think they are cruelty free as well. So that's always a thumbs up, because I love cruelty free products. So okay, I think we've got a repeat offender here. Repeat offender alert. This is the iCore Skinny Liquid Liner in black. Now I'm sure we got this last month. I don't know. I'll have to have a look through my huge tub of eye products. I'm sure we got it in one of them. I am positive we got that in, was it a glossy box? I don't know. I think we've had that before though, in a beauty box. Right, okay, so then we got this. These are really handy for when you've just come out of the shower and you want to brush your hair, or if you're putting conditioner in or hair treatment in. That is really a handy comb to have. So good. I like that. So then we've got a hydrating mask. Oh, these two work together. Let's see what they've done there, Birchbox. You have done well with that. So this is the Percy and Reed Hair Save Your Style Hydrating Mask. Need a rescue remedy fast. This indulgent treatment helps to nourish and deeply condition stressed tresses while enhancing manageability, softness and shine. So it says with nourishing marshmallow extract and coconut oil, totally TLC hydrating mask. Let's just have a little look at it. Just I want to see if it does really smell like marshmallows. I will probably be using this tonight anyway because I'm going to do my hair. It doesn't have a smell of marshmallows, sadly. No, it doesn't smell of marshmallows. It smells actually quite lemony, so there's no scent of marshmallows. But it's like a thick, pasty stuff. So maybe it will do my hair. Okay, so I'll put that up there, standing upright. Right. So then we got this, which is a bubble sheet mask. Wow, so there we go. I'm interested to use that. Looks quite good, but it's the bubble sheet mask. It's my mask bubbles. I can't pronounce that, it's in foreign, but it's a made in Korea one, and it just says happiness every day. It says exfoliate and cleanse on it. So, and it does tell you the instructions. I was hoping that might be in the ingredients. Oh, it does have the ingredients list right on it just there. So that's pretty good. So it lets you know what you are putting on your face. And it is manufactured by Fabergé. It is something to do with Upper Richmond Road, London. And it doesn't say whether it is cruelty free. That's what I look for on all of these. So I really don't know if that is cruelty free or not. I'll have to look it up on the internet just to see if it's cruelty free. Right, I couldn't find if it was cruelty free or not, but I did find it on Beauty Bay. This is £7.50 to buy on Beauty Bay. It has got some actually good reviews on it, so looking forward to using it. It's like got pictures of people using it, so it looks pretty good. And okay, so it might be good. Right, okay, so then we got to the next item. Is I'm actually starting to lose the items. Right, so then we got, this is going to go on a bit about the products. So we got a Larizzi. Oh, wait a minute. Right, so we've got the Larizzi lipstick. Right, so I will try this on. So just open the packaging. So I have to be brutal with the packaging because it takes ages to open it. And it's a bit of a nightmare. Wow, so we've got a red one. We'll just try that on. Right, so there it is on. It looks really very Christmassy. It's like a Christmassy colour, and I like it. Christmas makeup. It really is. It feels nice on as well. It went on very, very smoothly, so it was good. It was good, actually. I liked it. Right, so then the next item, what we got is, oh, I didn't tell you about this, did I? This is a £20 product. It's a liquid formula. It delivers rich pigment, and you can see it's rich pigment. Rich pigment colour that seriously won't budge, plus the comfortable texture means it won't settle into the lines of your lips or leave them feeling dry. Well, it doesn't feel dry at all. It feels really moisturising, so it's a really nice lipstick. I like it. So that is true, and it says it just apply it directly to your lips using the wand and relax, knowing that there's no need to reapply throughout the day. So once it's on, it's going to stay on. I'm tempted to try that, but I've got no actually paper here to try with. Now this will just, I don't know what this is, but we'll try it anyway. It's a piece of paper. So it's been on now for about a minute. It does come off a little bit, as you see, but I feel so once that's dried down, I think it's going to be on most of the day, but it's pretty good. I like that. So, good item. £20 worth of lipstick that I can use. So it's pretty good. I'm just going to put that there. Then we got this. Now then this is the Balance Me facial cleanser, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a little test with this and let's see if that micellar water will actually take it off. Right, so this is an Eye-Core Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, and this is the Precise one, and it says it is £16, and this has got a 4-star review on birchbox.co.uk, and it is create the most precise line of any thickness with the easy to hold pen. So I'm just going to try it on my eye just to see if it can actually do something. That was quite easy. It did it quite well. So I'm just going to try it on there. So if you press on, it goes thick. If you go thin, don't press on as much, and it's like a thin line. So I'm not going to finish off that one. I'll do that one at the end of the video. Right, so now then it leaves it with this. So now we're going to try out this micellar water, and it's the Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. It gently removes makeup and swipe away any impurities with 99% natural cleansing water. It is a soothing blend of peptides, chamomile, neroli and mandarin, and it supports your skin's natural regeneration process and fights signs of aging. Just apply to a cotton pad. Right, so we're going to try this on that. And let's just see what we get. So it has a nice scent to it. It has like a lemony, fresh and refreshing scent. So I'm just going to try it just to see if it actually does remove it. It is removing it. Now if I had a cotton pad that would do it properly, but you see it has took that off, so it's quite a good product. And so then we got, moving on, it's going to tell me about this hair mask. This hair mask is here. It is a hair mask. Obviously it's hydrating. No matter how thick or thin your hair is, all strands need one thing: moisturizer. This is just a mask to give them what they crave. Brimming with nourishing ingredients, it leaves hair soft, manageable, conditioned. Use it in place of your conditioner. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it out. So that was that. Then we got, I didn't tell you that, the price of that. That is an RRP price £22. I don't think it's a full-sized item. It isn't, no, well, it wouldn't be because it's in a pot. And the Balance Me is £16. That is not a full-sized item neither, I don't think. Right, so then we got this. This is the comb. Obviously it is a full-sized item because you couldn't get half a little comb, could you? No, right, so that is £5 with the Hotel Chocolate Duo. So they're together. Hotel Chocolate, no they're not. That is £5 on its own. Hotel Chocolate Duo. I think that this is, it says about the Hotel Chocolate Duo. We're advocates of treating yourself for all year round, but there's something about December that calls for a little extra indulgence. Please note, hotel chocolates are made in a factory that handles tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, milk, soya, therefore may contain traces of refer to product packaging. We'll get there in the end. Packaging. Right, so I think that might be just a add-in treat. And so this, back to this, which is the comb. The plastic comb is hard on tangles but easy on your head. The white teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing breakage. We love using this on the hair mask. So you see, that's why we've got the hair mask. So it's a pretty good item. Right, so it's going to go on a bit about January's sneak peek. So if you don't want to see what it is, look away now. But here it is. So in January we get the Glee Cosmetics Essence Moonlighter cushion, which you can either choose the apricot tinge or the copper rose. Now I know which one I'm going to choose, and I think that I would actually choose the copper rose because I love copper. And it just says, add a luminescent glow to skin with this lightweight moisturizing highlighter. Keep an eye on your inbox to pick your favorite one. So there we go. There is next month's one. And so we're going to have a look at this hotel chocolate because it's like really interesting me. Oh, look at that. They're really, really nice. They look nice, don't they? They look gorgeous. Scrumptious. So let's just have a try the chocolate and raspberry one. Use my scissors to open it. That chocolate looks gorgeous. I love the swirly bit in the middle of it. It just is gorgeous. So I'm just going to nibble a bit of it. And that's the middle of it. Can you see it? It's got like a purpley thing in the middle of it. And that chocolate is gorgeous. It's like to die for. It's really lovely. It's like a Turkish delight. That's what it is. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! Bye everyone.